Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, it's another installment of Graveyard Picnic, and today we're headed to Louisville, Kentucky to visit, quite simply, the greatest. Louisville, Kentucky is where a young Cassius Clay was born and raised, and now his hometown, and more specifically, Cave Hill Cemetery, is his final resting place. Cave Hill Cemetery and Arboretum is a 296-acre Victorian-era national cemetery. We were here not too long ago with the kids for a different graveyard picnic where we visited an honorary Kentucky colonel who is known for his white linen suits and serving some of the most delicious southern fried chicken. Today we're going to pay our respects at the grave of Muhammad Ali. The boxing heavyweight champion, philanthropist, and civil rights leader Muhammad Ali is buried on a beautiful hill next to a pond facing east in accordance to his Islamic faith. It's a beautiful place for visitors to reflect on the greatness that was Ali. This is very fitting, but on his grave is essentially a recipe. Yeah. Here we're doing a graveyard picnic and there is a recipe on his grave. The memorial's inscription reads, "He took a few cups of love, he took 1 tablespoon of patience, 1 teaspoon of generosity, 1 pint of kindness. He took 1 quart of laughter, 1 pinch of concern, and then he mixed willingness with happiness. He added lots of faith, and he stirred it up well. Then he spread it over a span of a lifetime, and he served it to each and every person he met." For this graveyard picnic, we were able to find a cookbook, a recipe to end hunger, where notable Louisville restaurants, hotels, and residents contributed recipes to help feed children in the area from the sales of the cookbook. Included is a go-to family meal from Lonnie Ali, Muhammad Ali's wife. It's just a simple 3-ingredient crock-pot meal that she often served at family meals. So food was very important to the Ali family. Obviously, he loved food, but it also, fueled them, and he taught his family that. So much so that his daughter, Layla, not only did she become a boxer later in life, but she also put out a few cookbooks. She's quite the chef herself. So this is something that the family would eat for dinner. It's a very simple recipe. It was so easy to throw together.
It's good.
This is just a really easy family meal, and probably one that we'll add to our list of go-to family recipes. So thank you, Ali family.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.